This is a 1973 Honda CL350 with roughly 14,000 miles. We've gone through it and done everything needed to make this classic scrambler a safe and reliable rider. This included all maintenance items, including changing the oil, cleaning the oil spinner, adjusting the cam chain valve lash, setting the ignition timing, drive chain lube and adjustment, rebuilding the carbs and fuel valve, cleaning and flushing the fuel tank. It's got new tires, new battery and spark plugs, new fuel and crossover lines, new MGO/cut mufflers, original owner's manual and toolkit. We put almost 100 miles on it and it's all good, ready for a new owner to enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Let's go for a ride.